In this second video for the IBM Spectrum Protect Plus sizing series, I'm going to walk you through the general layout of the sizing tool. You will have downloaded the sizing tool as part of the blueprints, and after you unzip that file, you'll see the Spectrum Protect Plus vSnap sizer. When you open that, and it does require Microsoft Excel, the first thing you're going to notice is that macros have been disabled. Since this does contain macros, you will need to enable that content. You will also get this disclaimer about the purpose of the spreadsheet being to provide an estimate for planning purposes. Make sure you're on the Start Here tab. You will want to check which version of the sizer you're running. We try to put out a new version with each release of Spectrum Protect Plus, so make sure you have the most recent version. If this is a new project, the next thing you're going to want to do is click to reset, so that if you did have any data stored in here from a prior project or a prior test run, that will be deleted. As a good point of practice, you should probably save this new spreadsheet with the name of the project that you're creating. So we're going to go ahead and save this as SPP Test Primary. You will need to create a separate worksheet for each site inside of your Spectrum Protect Plus implementation. Another thing to notice on this worksheet is the bottom tabs here. The first tab is going to be your Start Here tab, and this is going to contain your global options. The second tab is where you'll enter information for a VMware environment that you're protecting. The third one is for a Hyper-V environment. And then we have 4 tabs for applications, and so this would be where you enter the information for SQL, MongoDB, Oracle, DB2, Kubernetes, Office 365. And the only difference between these and the hypervisor tabs is that they give you the option to include backing up the application logs during the daily backups. The last tab will be the sizing results, and then the final one just gives information about the version history. So you should not change the names of the tabs, as it'll impact the sizing formulas. So the next step you're going to need to do is to collect information about the environment you want to be protecting. And if you do check out chapter 2 and 3 of the blueprints, that will help you gather that information. In the next video, we'll go through the example I laid out in the introductory video and enter these parameters into the spreadsheet. So with that, we'll go ahead and start entering the global values into the spreadsheet in our next video. Thank you.